We will start with attaching the thread to the hook and then chain 5. Make a ring. In this ring we will make 12 double crochet. So chain 3 and then 12 double crochet. After completing 12 double crochet, we will slip stitch and close the round. I am going to use other color. For the next round, attach to any one of the stitch to a slip stitch, chain 2 and then 4 double crochet in the same stitch. 4 double crochet together. 1, we will not complete this double crochet. 2, I'll show you again. 'We will not complete the double crochet properly. 2nd double crochet, again only half stitch at a time. 3, so you have made 3 double crochet and you have 4 loops on your hook. 4th double crochet and now you have 5 loops on your hook. Finish it like this. Chain 1. In the next stitch again we will make 4 double crochet together. 1, we have not completely finished the first double crochet. 2 double crochet and 3 loops on the hook. 3 and 4th double crochet. So now we have 5 loops on our hook and we will just complete our stitch at one go. Chain 1 and in this way we will complete our round. I'll show you one more time. First double crochet and 2 loops on the hook. 2nd double crochet, 3 loops on the hook. 3rd double crochet, 4 loops on the hook and 4th double crochet. 5 loops on the hook, like this. Again chain 1, and in all the next stitches we will make this 4 double crochet together. After completing all the DC4 together, I have done chain 1 and then slip stitch to this loop here. So our second round is also complete. For the third round, I'll be taking this color attach it to any one of the chain 1 space of previous round. Slip stitch to chain 1 space of previous round, chain 2, and then 2 double crochet in the same chain 1 space. Chain 2, 1, 2. Again in next chain 1 space we will make 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in the next chain 1 space. And in this way we will complete our third round. So we are at the end of this round. After making chain 2, slip stitch to first double crochet of 2 double crochet group. For the next round, make 1 single crochet in the chain 2 space, double crochet here in this stitch. Again single crochet, 1 single crochet each in next 2 double crochets of previous round. Single crochet in next 2 stitches. One single crochet in next chain 2 space, double crochet in the top of 4 DC group of this round. Again 1 single crochet in the same chain 1 space and 1 single crochet in next 2 stitches. So in this way we will complete our round.